an example of this is F is equal to F of X is the elastic force. This is a conservative force. The elastic force is given by F equals minus Kx. The minus here, actually, the minus here means that this force is what we call, it points to a certain equilibrium. Whenever that the default of the force as a minus sign, meaning ana is that it points to a certain point of equilibrium. Pag na-meaning ana, if the equilibrium is here, the force is going there. But if the equilibrium is here, the force is going dito. Nakuha? Which is, makita ni mo dire, that is the case. Because when x is positive, you assume that the equilibrium at 0. When x is positive, asa siya? It's pointing to the left. Now, pag mulapas ka sa equilibrium, meaning you are now in the negative. Asa padulong ang force? It becomes positive, right? So, it points towards the right. So, there, you have a force nga that changes direction as you cross the the equilibrium point. Okay, what is this K? This is the spring constant. And this is the measurement of this K is Newton per meter. Now, let's understand that one. In your laboratory sa una, you naggamit mong spring, di ba? Okay? Now, let's solve a very simple problem here. You have a spring dire na mo ni equilibrium niya, and then you add a mass, here. So, tendency, the spring will stretch. So, ang sa metabo karon, the spring will be, right? You added mass. So, there is what we call, this is now our X. Or, you can take this as delta X. This can also be, in other books, you can write, they write this as delta. This is delta X gina siya. Meaning that delta X, you are assuming that the equilibrium is X naught. This is the equilibrium point. But if you put the equilibrium X naught at 0, then it's just Kx. Nakuha? So let's just put this as, let's just use Y, let's just put this as 0. Ang question is, what would be Y if given K, let's say mass is equal to 100 kilograms, and K would be equal to, let's say, 200 Newton per meter. Now, let's understand the spring constant K. 200 Newton per meter. Unsay ibot pasabot ani? Meaning that in order to stretch the spring by 1 meter, you need 200 newtons of force. Nakuha? So, to stretch this by 2 meters, you need 400 newtons. So, it's very easy to understand. In fact, di na nimo kailangan isolve ang Newton's law ani, pwede ra nimo kuan using ratio and proportion ni siya. But, of course, it's informal. So, anyway, let's use assuming that this is in equilibrium. So, going up is our elastic force, right? Let's call that Fe. And going down is our weight. So, that summation of forces along Y, you have Fe minus the weight equals 0. So, that Fe is just equal to mg. But what is Fe here? Fe is just equal to Ky equals mg, right? Or K delta Y. Or Ky na lang. So, that means that Y na is equal to mg over K. And that's 980 divided by 200, right? Okay? So, you can calculate this is 980 newtons over 200. So, pila? 200, wait. Yeah, Newton per meter. Newton per meter, so the unit will be in meters. Pila? Ha? 4.9 meters. Okay? It will stretch by 4.9 meters. Taas kayo, no? Okay? So, yeah, nasabtan ang elastic force. Okay, now, let's understand the elastic force more. Okay, this also means that the elastic force is not constant. It depends on the position, right? As you go further from the equilibrium point, the force becomes larger, right? Because kung tanawon nimo, di ba, pag birahon nimo siya, the more nga taason nimong bira, the more nga ang force nga kinahanglan nimo nga gamiton is much larger. This is not the same as the weight that we experience here, nga bisag asa imong location, the same ang weight, right? Tama? The same ang weight, bisan asa imong location. Or friction, bisan asa ka, the same ang friction. It does not depend on position. Now, this one depends on position. And the farther you are from equilibrium point, the farther, the stronger is F, the larger is F. Okay? Now, atong buhaton ani kay, okay, assume that we have a mass here attached to this, and then let's call this M, small m, and here attached to the pulley, let's neglect the rotational motion of the pulley, attached to a bigger mass of capital M. Let's understand this system. It starts at equilibrium, and at equilibrium, its velocity is 0. Ang question is, let's explore this. I will not pose a question. Ato sang ikuan tanawon unsay behavior ani. So in order to find the behavior, let's find the kinematics. Meaning we have to find now the kinematic variables. Let's start with A of X. Since our F is F of X, meaning that our A now becomes A of X. Okay? So, here, naatay tension dito, di ba? And of course, this tension here is the same as this tension dire. And from, makita ninyo, if this accelerates this way, assume an acceleration. So, summation of forces along Y on this term here is T minus mg equals ma, or that T is equal to minus ma, right? Mg minus ma. Now let's move dire. Summation of force along X, dire lang ta. We have pitik-pitik ang ulo. Tulong kong flu ani ba? Okay? Clearly, dire naatay, as it moves dire, okay, assume nga naka-move na siya, so naay Fe dito and tension dire, right? So, this is minus Fe, which is Kx, right? Minus Kx equals, plus T equals Ma. Okay? From here, we can see that since this is our T, so this is now minus Kx plus Mg minus Ma equals, M ni siya, no? Equals Ma. So, from here, we can see that our A now is, bali na ito dito, so over M, capital M. This is just Mg minus Kx over M plus capital M. Tama? That would be our acceleration. And this is actually A of X. Now, yung tanawon nato is that when X equals 0 at equilibrium, this is 0, right? So, tendency, mabiragid siya. But, as X increases, magkagamay ang acceleration, right? Tama? It becomes initially large, and then magkagamay nga magkagamay. So let's illustrate that one. At this is x here, x-axis. At start is dire. Okay? No? When x equals 0, mauni ang meaning kani, this is mg over m plus m, no? Okay. And then, magka-decrease. This is linear. As you can see, this is a linear function. Diba? We can write this as b minus a minus bx. Right? Ang a nato kay mg over m plus m. Ang ato ang b kay k over m plus m. Right? Tama? And this is a linear function. Align. And, okay, ato lang i-step na siya, no? Muana siya nga muana. And then, after some time, it will become 0. In fact, we would know the point kano sa ma-0 ang acceleration. Okay? And it will continue to at dire. Pero wala ta kabalo kung mag-continue bagyo na siya dito. Okay? Tanaw nato ni siya ang ato ang dynamics karon. Okay. Now let's find v of x. How do you find v of x? Well, since this is a of x equals dv over, a is equal to dv over dt, right? Since a is equal to a of x, so we have to express this in terms of x. So this is dv over dx times dx over dt. And so this now becomes, but this one here is just v, right? So meaning here, v dv equals a dx. Okay? And we can integrate this now from v naught to v. So since v naught is 0, so this is just v to v. Now, x naught, this is integrated in x. X naught, we will assume the equilibrium is 0. So this is 0 to some x. And so this integral becomes 1/2 v squared minus 0. So equals, this is the integral of this in terms of x. So sa ato pa, since this is our a, so this is just equal to ax minus bx squared, right? Again, our a is mg over m plus m, and our b is k over m plus m. Nakuha? Okay, para di ta magsulat og taas. Okay? Now, notice here that tanaw na to ang v na to. V is actually plus minus. V now of x is equal to plus minus. Ganun na siya plus minus dire. Okay? Because this is a, pagkuha niyo sa ano, may mo siyang plus minus. This is 2, sakto ba? Sorry, this is 1/2. This is b over 2 di. Right? Over x squared. Nakuha? B over 2 over x squared. Kay naman tayo x dire. Okay? So this becomes now 2ax minus bx squared, right? And as we can see here, v can be 0, right? Sa ato pa, ang 0 nga v, the zeros of v, is the zeros of v, asa ang zeros of v? Not only when x equal to 0, but we have another point nga 0 ang v. Okay? And that would be, tanawa na to, the zeros of v, let's solve this at v equals 0. So 0 equals, kani, right? So, 0, okay, when v of x equals 0, asa ang x? X now would be, first, of course, when x is 0, right? Okay, this is how you solve it, diba? 2a x minus b x squared equals 0, right? If you factor out this one, so this is minus 2a minus b x times x. So the first solution is x equals 0, right? Mauna itong ganiha, itong initial. But there's another point na 0 ang x. And that would be, the second solution is that when 2a minus bx equals 0, or this is now when x is equal to 2a over b. Or that would be 2mg over k. This is 2mg over k. This over b. Yeah, 2mg over k. Nganong ma-zero ang v dira? And then, once nga ma-zero ang v, let's understand this. Asa ni nga point ang 0? 2mg over k. Now, let's solve kano saan ni ma-reach sa acceleration. When a is equal to 0, right? We will solve this kano saan ni siya ma-reach sa acceleration. Nakuha ninyo? Okay? So, what is that point? To solve that point, di rin na ako ikuha, I'll try not to erase this one. To solve for that point, we set a equals 0 sa ato pa. This is equal to a minus bx. So, sa ato pa, x now is equal to a over b. That means that the acceleration is 0. This happens here at x equals a over b, or asa man ang a over b. That is mg over k. In fact, okay, yan na natin ikuha na. So, at x equals a over b, our acceleration is 0. And, okay, let's plot now our velocity. And, tanawa ha, it starts 0 here, and then it becomes 0 at somewhere dire. So, there's only one possibility. It increases the b starting to increase, and then, para maabot siya 0, it starts to decrease, right? So, meaning, B is something like this. Right? So, let's find the maximum point kung asa ang B, maano sa maximum, right? Let's find now the optimum point for B. Asa ni siya? At what x will the maximum velocity occur? Okay? And how do we solve that? Well, minima maxima in your calculus. Okay? We derive now v prime of x and set this equal to 0, right? Diba? Minima maxima. So, finding v prime of x, what is our, okay, our v prime is this. So, idiretso na ako kay tungod pag-ana nimo, when you take the v prime of this, you have the derivative with respect to x, ma-over ni siya, over sa ubos, pero ang taas na mo matter dito kay ginaset matter to 0, right? So the denominator won't matter. Nakuha ninyo? Sa numerator of v prime of x, what do you get? In the numerator, the derivative sa sulod, tama? Tama? Kay, mauma na ang chain rule. So, and the numerator is the derivative of what is, meaning that the numerator, akong ibutang ang n, numerator, is what you get in the numerator is 2a minus bx. 2bx. Right? Over ang katong derivative sa square root, right? Nana siya ana. Okay? Now, setting it to 0, wala na, di na mag-matter ang denominator, right? Ang numerator lang. So, setting this to 0 means that x now is equal to a over b exactly sa tunga. Sabdan ninyo? Sa tunga, meaning here, the same point na acceleration is 0, naa po dito ang maximum velocity. Okay? Ganong, mga asmo, sir, ganong giset na kanina lang di atong gigamit diretso because A equals 0 here. Note that dv over dx is not equal to A of x. What is equal to A is dv over dt. And that's equal to A of t, right? So, dv over dx is not equal to A of x. In fact, dv over dx has, bisan dire, you will see that it's not, but meaning ani that whatever ang naa sila ang ilang maximum minimum mag-coincide gihapon. So, V starts at 0, right? It reaches maximum dire. Anao na lang nato, no? Tama? And it start to decrease. Di ba, asa man ang 0 ang B? Di ba twice of this, right? 2A over B. Di ba? 2A over B. So, this is half of that. It becomes 0 again dire. And, okay. Now, since 0 ang velocity dire, what is the acceleration? At this point, when the mass reaches that, okay, akong ikuan ha. So good siya dire, no? This is M. And as it reaches here, and let's assume that this distance is 2mg over k, right? No? Sa ato pa, ang tunga dira isang mg over k. So, kani is 2mg over k. Pag abot diri asa ang acceleration, di ba dito? So, it will start to, again, increase in the negative direction, right? So, in fact, nana, swasoy, thank you. Dolphinal ni? Yes, sir. Okay. It will increase in the negative direction, right? Mahimo na pong negative, right? So, muana siya diri. So, unsay mo, balik siya, tama? Right? Because it gains a negative velocity. Unsay mahitabo? Mubalik na pud siya dito. And in fact, as you can see, the equation flips dire, mo flip siya. Okay? What happens pagbalik niya dito? Okay? Tanaw na to. Okay, mubalik siya dito. Okay, sa return trip niya, tanaw na to asa na po, unsa na po yung behavior niya, no? Okay? So, in order to do this, sa return trip, atong baliktaron lang kay para dili ta sa sign. Ato lang ko na isang distance niya nga ma-travel padulong dito na pod. Okay? So, let's assume nga ato ang himuon ni siyang positive direction na pod, right? Okay. Sige, na lang yun. I-absolute na to. Naay kx dire and naay tension dire. Maura gyapon ang direct ang sitwasyon, di ba? So sa ato pa the same equation, right? Sa pagbalik, the same equation would lead to the same solution. That means that the next zero will be kanina po dire, right? Mo zero na po dire. This means that it will go back to this, ang ma-reach niya ang maximum diri gihapon, and it will start to dito. Pag abot niya diri, you have a force going there, right? Tama? You have a force that goes on the right. So, your acceleration is again positive. Pag abot nimo diri, okay, naay some sort diri nga, okay, wait lang. De. Okay. As soon as it reaches here, mo ni ang may tabo. Pag abot dire, at this point dire, pag tanawa, pag cross niya dire, asa may acceleration, di ba positive na? Right? Kay murag ani na siya, pag abot dire, acceleration will go here. Di ba? Makita niyo dire, di ba, ga-decrease? kung this region is steeper than this, tama? So here, it shows that the acceleration at this point, your velocity is decreasing with x, but slowly decreasing than this one. Paspas kayo, right? It shows that the acceleration is increasing in the other direction. Hantod pag-abot niya dire, 0 ang v dire, right? But it doesn't mean nga mo stop siya dira. No, it will not stop. Ay, sorry, not 0. 0 ang acceleration dire, but the velocity reaches its maximum. It reaches its maximum always at this point here. And in fact, this point is what we call the equilibrium. Nga anong equilibrium ang tawag, ana? Okay, let's explore that later. And it will again increase. Kaya naman siya positive nga, ano na dito, right? Gaka-increase mo ng acceleration, right? So, birahon siya. Pag abot dire, it will stop, but then you have still a positive acceleration. So, same na pod ganiha, it will pull na pod siya dire, right? So, this is what we call an oscillation, an oscillatory motion. Okay? Nasabtan ninyo? So, we have here what we call a motion that oscillates. An oscillatory motion. Okay? So, babalik-balik siya. Dira. Okay? This is the motion of that. Okay? The velocity. That's why naatay plus ug minus. No? Plus ug minus. We take both. Okay? So, the particle will actually oscillate or vibrate. Oscillate. Ang kalahian mo sa vibration o oscillation, the same na sa vibration, but somehow oscillation mo is the thing itself is translating and back and forth. Ang vibration is something like steady siya pero na is something no? But the two are actually described with the same kumbaga pa almost the same mathematics. Okay? So, okay, nganong equilibrium point ang okay, as I've said, the equilibrium point is x equals mg, capital MG to, no? Over k. Nganong equilibrium na siya? Because if initially, ibutang na ako diri ang mass without a velocity, setting v naught equals 0, diri na ako siya ibutang not at 0. Ganyan original, our problem is that I put it at 0. Pag diri na ko siya ibutang, the forces is balanced, right? There's a force dito, there's a force here. And if you solve for the acceleration, at this point, acceleration is equal to 0, right? Mao gyapon na diri. So if acceleration equals 0, the block will not move. Nakuha? The block will not move. Okay? So, kaning x equals dire, what is this distance here? That distance is also, it must be, this distance here must be equal to mg over k gihapon, right? And that is called the amplitude. It's the maximum nga pwede niya abtan relative to the, what you call this one, the equilibrium point. Nakuha ninyo? Okay? That's amplitude. If you stretch the mass initially, instead nga dira ibutang nato siya dire at any point here, this will also become the maximum nga pwede niya abton. Okay? Meaning that, okay, mao na tong i-show karon, no? If initially we stretch the mass out of equilibrium, this is the equilibrium, right? Okay. This is the equilibrium when there is tension. But the equilibrium of the spring is, basi ano mo ba? Sir, you said that the equilibrium of the spring is when it is unstretched. 0 man siya, right? Motong ingon nato, the spring is equilibrium. But note that there is an attached tension diha. Nasabtan ninyo? That's why the equilibrium is transfer siya dire. Okay? Now, anyway, ato na siyang explore later when we remove the tension. Kung what would happen, what is this D here? Okay? So, what else? Sa pay ato ang maano diri. Any question so far? So, atong na ano that it will go back and forth diri. Okay? Okay. I think, okay na siguro ni? Yeah, it will oscillate there. And it will forever oscillate here. But of course, in reality, this does not happen. Nga naman, na ay friction. Okay, let's explore the case nga na ay friction. Okay? Let's explore the case nga na ay friction. And you would see that the equation would change. I mean, the scenario would change. When there is friction, what is our summation of forces along x? Friction always opposes velocity. Okay? So, the summation of forces along x, if initially, diri gapon nato siya gi-release, no? Sa equilibrium of the spring, but the system here is not in equilibrium, right? Kaya naay gabira dito. So, meaning here, summation of, this is, since the velocity is going this way, so friction is going that way. So, this is now minus friction, minus kx, plus tension equals ma. And still, tension is just the same. Maura gihapon, no? So, that this is minus mu, what's friction here? Mu mg, right? Minus kx, plus this is mg minus ma equals ma. So that a is the same, only na inadungag nga, na inasubtract nga ani. Tama? Okay, so this is now mg minus kx minus mu mg over m plus m. Now, clearly, this is less than mg over kung sa ganitong na ano, well, let's solve gihapon ng ano. Let's solve when acceleration equals 0. When a is equal to 0, x equals what? Yeah, m minus mu m over k, tama? G. And clearly, this is less than mg over k, right? Maklaro, this is a positive number, tama? Gibawasan nato. Kung tanawon nimo ni you get mg over k, right? When friction is equal to 0. Clearly, this is less than this. Tama? And the velocity is 0 again, nothing happens. Still, atong equation sa atong velocity, v of x is equal to plus minus the square root of 2ax minus bx squared, right? Pero, okay, ang atoang a karon is the change na. What is our a now? A becomes, what is our a? This is mg minus mu mg over m plus m. Tama? Capital M. This will be our A. Dati kanira man. Tama? Okay? So, from here, the same gihapon, ato ang x gihapon kay 2a, ato ang equilibrium, when v equals 0 at the same point, 2a over b. But then again, the a is difference. This is clearly less than katong ganiha, the original. Right? Kay nga naman, o sa tong ganiha, well, it's easy to check that tong ganiha is just twice of this. This is less than, or atong equal ha, this is equal to 2 times mg minus mu mg over m plus capital M. Clearly, this is less than 2 mg over m plus m, right? Mo man yung original. Okay? Ay, times sa k ba? Dili ano, m plus m? This is k. K. Okay, clearly this is less than that. So, that means the effect of friction is that kung mauni ang original nato, it will stop diri. And there's a difference. This difference is actually mu mg over k. You subtract this minus this, you get, di ba? Mu mg over k. This one minus this one. Okay? Kaning original minus kani. What you get is mu mg over k. The magnitude of that. Kaning distance na ni. Nakuha, this is mu mg over k. Okay? So, if that's mu mg over k, nabawasan na siya, tama? Now, the same here, only ato ang ano karon is atong acceleration in fact is mas gamay, right? I'll write it in maybe in red. Our new one is paani na siya dire. Right? Even atong half dire, so atong new velocities will be kani maani na pud siya, right? Okay? Sabtan? Di mo kayo maklaro nga. Maura gyapon. Okay. And again, it will be the same. Okay. Tanaw na to. Pagbaliktad na to, ani, it's when the motion reverses, padulong dito. Okay? Padulong dito. Tanaw na to kung makaabot pa ba gyapon. No, nga nag-decrease siya dire. We will predict na decrease na po siya pagpabalik, right? Because there's still that friction. Okay? So, pabalik siya sa summation of forces. Pabalik siya karon. You have mao gihapon friction now becomes positive, right? Mu mg, tama? It becomes positive because it's going this way. Friction must be going on the opposite direction. Mu mg minus kx, okay? Plus t, which is again mg minus ma equals ma. Nakuha ninyo? And now, what do we get? Our A is just equal to mg plus mu mg. Okay? Plus mu mg minus kx over m plus m. Okay? Asa na po diri mazero? Nalahi, tama? Ganiha, minus man eh. Minus ni ganiha, right? Yeah, minus. Karon na mong plus. Okay? Asa na po karon 0 ang A? A equals 0 at when? Well, clearly x equals mg plus mu mg over k. Now, notice that this is greater than, in terms of, this is our 0, right? This is our x equals 0. Okay? Notice that this is greater than, nakasabot mo, wala betay numbers, good. But this is how you do things, this is how we do things in physics, manggod. Okay? This is some sort of, siguro ang difference sa ato because ang sa inyo usually, you go into specific applications, use numbers dito. In physics, we are used to this, we model the system without actually numbers and just look at the behavior of the math. Okay, so without solving anything, we would know the general behavior as well as the specific behavior. So muna itong ginabuhat. Pero kasabot pa mo. Kasabot pa man, right? Pero at least manggod, kaning batasan, kaning attitude, madala ninyo when you get into engineering mechanics. Okay, if you have this, tinood lang no, if you have this attitude, pag abot niyo sa engineering mechanics, which is very, very kanaganing, very formula-based and numbers-based, maanad mo og model, you will start to look into general aspect. And from that general aspect, you derive the specific aspect. Pag nasabta na ninyo manggod ang pinaka-general concept, ang pinaka-kuan na concept, you can solve any of the specific. Mo na kuan. So, you're not used to this. Last time, dili po na ninyong approach sa kuan. It's much more on numbers. Well, mahalas ninyo, kaya ako may inyong teacher. Kuan. This is how, naanad ko ganing ano, but I think kanimang good is that I'm explaining to you the concept. Lisod siya. Pero pag abot sa application, ani, sayo na lang kayo. Numbers na lang may ibutang. No? All the formulas nga pwede ma-derive naman dire. Okay, anyway. Now, this is in terms of the absolute, the x, kabaluta that this is on the right. Remember nga, this one is less than this. So that means that this point here, when a is equal to 0, is on the right of this point, and even on the right of the original. Katong ganiha nga walay friction, right? Because this is clearly greater than mg over k and clearly greater than this. So to the right siya. Tama? Okay, so it will attain equilibrium at this point here. Pabalik. I mean, yeah, the a equals 0 diri. So, ngano ni siya? Okay. Kay pagbalik nato, okay, paana siya dito, no? And why is this? Because this is because of the discontinuity of our equation. Ang atong equation karon himong discontinuous. We could no longer use the same equation. Unlike ganiha manggod, when we don't have friction, we can use the same a function. Because dito, ang x dito mo flip lang siya diretso, automatic, right? Without any changes. But here, the problem with this case is that friction, we have to keep track with friction. Pagbalik nato, pagpadulong ta sa right, lahi ang atong summation of forces. Tama? Ang form. Remember that padulong ta sa right ganiha, this is negative. Pagpadulong, every time padulong ta sa left, this is positive. So this means that our equation now, here, is, there is a discontinuity. Dili pareho diri ganiha nga, pag-ana mo, diretso lang siya, and then mubalik na po siya dito, right? Mubalik na po siya, and mag-ana lang gid siya. Karon na ay discontinuity atong function. So this is now actually, makita ninyo diri ang applications, kanaganing mga, when functions, discontinuous, kanaganing functions ka na iputol, na i-jump. Diba, naana sa math ninyo, sa calculus? Functions could be that, and then pag-abot up to diri nga point, and then diri start paana na pod. Okay? And later, actually, that will lead to a much more interesting mathematics. Okay? So this is an example of those case where we have a discontinuous function. Okay? So pag-abot diri, ma-change ang ato ang nature sa atong equation. In fact, ang nature sa atong equation is something like, mura siya kani ang i-trace niya. Tanawa. Unya nato na siya i-plot. Let's look at this. Okay? Let's solve velocity again. Okay, we need to resolve the velocity because A now has try na to different form. Okay, V dV equals more gamon A dx, right? V dV equals A dx. When we integrate this one, we still get V squared equals 2a minus bx, 2ax, bx squared. Yeah, we still get this. Yeah, we would still get this. And then, when 0 ato ang b, when b is equal to 0, okay, medyo confusing ka. Kabalo mo nga, no? Nganong kuhan siya? This is, it looks manggod nga Pabalik, ano man gud siya. Tungod sa discontinuity, pag pabalik nato karon, ang ato ang function mulahi. Because if we just use the same equation, kabalo mo asa ni nga, di ba kaning nga point is dire ni siya. Originally mao ni siya, di ba, ang katong pagpadulong nato. Mao ni ang equilibrium. Karon pagpabalik nato ang equilibrium na transfer dire. Nganong ni transfer man siya? Ha? Nibalik siya, ni-transfer siya, pero naamang yung kawala ang energy. Okay? So, from here, you would see that pagbalik, medyo inaccurate akong drawing. Pero anyway, ato lang ning exaggerate gamay ha. Ana siya. And ato ni siyang pagamyon. Okay. So sa ato pa, pagpabalik nato karon, di mauna ni siya ang equilibrium. Right? But what is our velocity as we go back? As we are as we are pagpabalik nato ang atong velocity, maura gyapon ang atong velocity function. This is the negative square root of that. That is our velocity function. Pero nagsugod ta karon sa asa ta nagsugod karon sa B. Asa atong starting point katong ganiha, right? Aha natong ganiha, what was our atong starting point karon was x is equal to 2mg. This was 2mg minus mu mg, tama? Okay? Over k. Tama? So, okay. Kita niyo? Pag abot dire, in fact, ang kaning distance na kaning nawala, notice kaning nawala dire, kadi ba natay distance dire? Kaning nga distance o kana nga distance pareho. Right? Kaning nga distance o kana nga distance pareho. Ani ha, pagbalik nato, friction, una-una, paana, diri ta nag-end. Unsay nahitabo, sa katong walay friction, na move siya og kaning nga distance. And that distance is mu mg over k. That distance. So, it will follow karon nga kung mauna ang half, ang distance of course there is 2 mu mg over k, right? So, pagbalik nato, unsay nakita nato that the zero of the acceleration occurs at this point. And this is just mg, this is just this point plus that point. Di ba? Tanawa, that is just mg over k plus mu mg over k, right? So, meaning the distance of this point is 2 mu mg. Tama? Therefore, ang distance mo ani is 2 mu mg. You can say that it's 2 mu mg. Okay? Mao man yung original, right? Katong walay friction. Pagbutang nato sa friction, diri atong naabtan sa diri ta nagsugod sa atong velocity. Okay? Now, unsay mahitabo, we can now predict asa na pud ni siya mo end. Since ni-reduce ni siya, note nga ang yang abton diri karon is okay, ako na siyang padak-o, no? Dili na natin i-proceed ang kaning equation, but we can now, di ba, originally, this was our velocity, right? It's an ellipse. Okay? This was our velocity. This distance is Kani siya, this distance is, unsa ni siya? 2 mg over k. And this half kani is, of course, mg over k. And our acceleration, originally is, ato lang aniho, no? Kana. Okay? Now, with friction, unsay nahitabo? We put mu mg, and we have proven that asa siya ni kuan, ni-move ni siya dire, right? Okay? Ni-move siya dire. So, meaning that our acceleration is actually much less than, tama? Okay, na friction. So, muna itong acceleration. Okay? And our is kani ni, of course, mo ana po siya, right? Diri na siya, tama? Ang ellipse ni gamay. And naabot siya diri. Baka ninyo? Wait lang, atong tarungon ha. Okay. Diri siya ni abot. This distance right here, kani siya is, that distance is 2 mu mg over k. Tama? Kay mu mg over k ni siya. Okay? Kana siya is that. And we also calculated the new zero of acceleration. Pagpabalik nato, because of the discontinuity, mao ni siya, the new zero of acceleration will occur at x equals this. That means, but since this is pilay distance ani kani nga x from mg over k, it's just mu mg over k, right? Ang kalayo niya. So meaning, makuha na to that this one is naa na pud ang center diri, right? So, it has moved by mu mg over k. Pagbalik ani, mao na niyang ano, tama? Discontinuous na. It's no longer the same equation. Right? It's no longer the same equation. And in fact, the acceleration now becomes something like this. Ana. No. Yeah. Paana dito. This is now our new acceleration pagpabalik. Discontinuous ang duha. Unlike ganyan nga continuous, right? Okay? Mauna niya niyang ano, pagbalik na pod niya, now, asa, ma-predict na to, asa sa balik, right? Kasi na-move ni siya og ana, this distance, di ba dire? Mubalik siya, dire. Pag abot dira, we now know, we can now calculate this distance, right? This distance is actually twice of this. Okay? Nasabtan ninyo? This distance is twice of this. Okay. Sige, problem set. Show that this distance is actually twice of this. Okay? Dili pa ko sure ana, pero murag maog yun na siya. Yeah, maog yun na siya. Because this is a continuous equation. Maog yun na siya. It's twice of this. It should be. Kay half man ni siya, tama? Tanawan ninyo ha? Kani dire, half, dito. We can show, actually. We can easily show that dire siya mubalik. Kaning whole thing is mg over k, right? This whole thing here, this distance is mg over k. Now, unsa ni siya? Kani nga distance is what? That distance here is, since this is 2 mu mg as we have shown, sa ato pa, kani nga distance is mg over k minus 2 mu mg over K. Tama? Kani. Ay, wait. Kani siya. Right? Kay, again, this one is mg over K. Capital mg over K. And since 2 mu mg ni, so this is now mg over K minus mu 2 mg, right? Karon, tanaw na to. Kani nga distance karon, what is this distance now? We can now calculate this distance, right? That distance is just this minus this, tama? So, sa ato pa, kani siya nga distance, kani siya, this one here, is just, kani, mg over K minus 2 mu mg over K minus pagyud. O, what is this distance? Mu mg over K. So, mahimong minus 3 mg over K, right? Now, that means this x right here is x equals, anyway, this x right here is, unsa ni siya nga x? This x, absolute value, x equals 0. That x right here is just kani. Mao ni siya. Right? Mu mg plus k. Karon tanaw na to i-subtract nato diri ang kani. Let's subtract this by this. Right? Meaning, kaning diri, i-subtract nato ni siya nga distance. Right? Kay pareho man ang iyang balikan. Tama? I-subtract nato ni siya diri. And when we do that, this one minus this is clearly mg over k minus 2 mu mg over k. Right? No. That minus, wait lang this minus this, okay, is minus 2. Wait. No. This minus that is, let's muna to it's 4 mg, it's 4 mg, which is, pila ganin nga distance? 2 mu mg over k. Kani kay 4. Right? Now, this minus that is 4 mg. Wala man mag-cancel niya. Kani og na minus 3, so mag-plus 4. So, nag-show na to nga twice na pod. And every time, pagbalik na pod, discontinuous na pod, right? You can show again that ang next na pod is, mumove na pod ni by what? Mumove na pod ni by, well, I don't know unsay i-move ani, but I think it's something like that. Hantod ma, 0 na siya. Okay? So magkagamay, right? Muana siya. So this will be the motion. This is actually, mura sa spiral, pero mo center siya somewhere. I don't know kung asay kwadra. In the long-term behavior, but we're not going to nasabtan. So this is the effect of friction. So, munang muana gid siya, right? Nakuha ninyo? We have shown this behavior, right? Ano gikan siya dire, abot siya dito, pagbalik niya, di na siya kaabot dira, right? Because its energy has decreased. Okay? In fact, kung walay friction diri, dapat siya. Pero di siya kaabot dire. Okay? Pag abot na po niya dito, di na po siya kaabot dire because its energy again will be converted into work to, na may work done to prevent friction. Pagbalik na po niya, di na po siya kaabot dire na po siya, right? And actually, it's going to be half. So this is now the effect of friction. Nakuha ninyo? So, kung tanaw na to, if we plot x, actually, it's going this way. Something like na. No? Okay? So, taas oy, kanila nga part. Pero, okay ra. Now, let's derive now. It will now be easy for us to derive what we call the harmonic oscillator. Okay? The harmonic oscillator, okay, we are still in the topic f equals f of x. The harmonic oscillator is this. You have a spring and then you stretch it. This is assuming that this is the equilibrium. Magani ha? Mo ni equilibrium. So, you stretch it by initial of A. Okay? And then release it. Okay? If this has a mass M, the mass is M, okay, what would be the equation of motion? So, assuming wala tayo friction, so mas dali ni siya, right? We actually, mo ni ang more difficult part. Okay? Here, this is much more the easier part. Sayo na lang ni siya. What is the equation here? Sum of forces. The sum of forces along X is, this is, walay other force, right? Tama? Pag-release na to, walay other force. Kung dili, minus kx equals md squared x over dt squared. But we already encountered this, right? Sa katong sa rotational motion. So, unsay solution ani? We know how to solve this. In fact, the solution of this is x equals, so, dili na nako kailangan i-derive sa inyong solution ani, right? Because we already guessed it. No? Katong last time, ano na ko sa inyo, unsa to'y, and this will give us what? This will give us a cosine omega t, but in this case, our omega is not any omega. Omega is actually equal to square root of k over m. Kaya nga naman, mahimo man ni siya og, di ba, mahimong k over m dito. What was our differential equation gani ato? Nilid siya to minus omega square to omega squared, tama? Okay? So our solution here is this. And assuming that we release it here, mao gyapon to dati, right? Naata diri sa positive. That's why nawala ang sign. Okay? Katong ganiha atong problem, kung magsugod atong problem dire, it becomes a sign. Okay? Pero kailangan ta mo create og force dire. Nganong kailangan ta og force dire? Ani man god, this is the equilibrium. Pag ibutang nimo ang mass dira, walay mahitabo, right? Tama? Walay pag ano daw mo attendance be kay na attendance, daghan na pug absent or pag magbutang mo mass dire, walay mahitabo ngano man equilibrium point man eh. Okay, it will not go in either of the side. So, that's why ganiha, unsay gibuhat nato ganiha, we had to have a force tension diri. Tama? Okay? If that's the case, ang solution nato will be the sign. Basta magsugod ta diri sa equilibrium. But starting at equilibrium, we must give it either an initial velocity or pag wala initial velocity, we have to have a force that would cause the string to, mao na tong tension ganiha. Okay? This is much easier. And without friction, kabalutan that it will oscillate where? Atong A karon dire is katong initial point. This is no longer any A. This A now is the initially kung asa nato siya bira. And it will oscillate between A to minus A. This will be the cosine man siya, no? Cosine, so meaning asa siya magsugod. It will start sa taas. Okay? This will be the motion. This is A to minus A. Okay? So, this will be now the motion. So, I don't have, di na nato kailangan i-analyze because we already analyzed the more difficult one dito. Nakuha? Pero, what we, is, itong i-go deeper, I mean, you already know nga mo oscillate siya, no? Na there's this motion. Okay? Which will be, later, you will recognize this as very close to the wave motion. Okay? The harmonic oscillator is very important, not only in physics, but in engineering. And why? Because the harmonic oscillator, although it's a mass spring system, but the solution for this one can be applied to electrical systems. AC current. Only, usahay, kaning siya, may dili ni siya omega t lang, kundi na siya kx minus omega t. Pag wave natong hisgutan. Okay? But sometimes it also omega t ra ni siya. Okay? In the AC current, it's a harmonic oscillator. Dili lang siya mass spring system, it's a different type of system, but still, it's modeled by the same mathematics. It's an oscillation. That's why it's very important. In physics, gabalik-balik ni siya gihapon. As you go into higher system, even in atomic physics, you start with harmonic oscillator. Because the vibrations of atoms can be modeled with harmonic oscillators. Okay? Molecular vibrations. Kanang sa pag-ano sa mga molecules dira. These are actually harmonic oscillator. And for example, you can actually extend it into two-dimensional oscillator na spring. Of course, this is much difficult to model. This is much difficult system to model, but the concept is the same. It will have an oscillation. And the oscillation of this is mura siyang mag-ana-ana dira. Okay? Depending on the constants ani dire. Okay? So, this is now the solution for the harmonic oscillator. And note that, let's understand this. What is x dot? X dot now, which is the velocity, right? Okay? This is minus omega A cosine omega t, sine omega t. Notice that, okay? Or this is minus omega A, wala pa di ay. And then, x double dot, which is the acceleration, is minus omega squared A cosine omega t, which is equal to just minus omega squared x, right? Di ba mo ning gihapon? Only, wala tayo y dire. Okay? Pero ang t dire, maka-form gihapon tawag circle, nga naman. This is the xt space. If you use the xt space, or tx space na lang. Yeah, xt space. X, and this angle is omega t. Okay? In this case, for the harmonic oscillator, our omega is constant. Meaning that it will lead to a circular motion in the xt space at a constant angular velocity, constant omega. Ganong constant ba itong omega? Because our omega is k over m. It's a constant. Okay? So this angle is omega t. This is not xy ha. This is xt. This is x at some point at x of t. This one. Nakuha? Note that as if you go in the, pag naaka diri sa positive, your force is going there. That's why your acceleration is going on the negative. Pag abot diri, may mo siyang positive. Note that tanaw na to, asa mo occur ang maximum velocity. Asa mo occur ang maximum velocity here, since this is a function of time. This is mo naging masayon pa ni siya, no? Our velocity, this is our velocity, right? V of t. What is now, where is our maximum velocity? Where does our maximum velocity occurs? Then we just take dv over dt and set it to 0, right? Which means that this is just, what is dv over dt? Mo man eh. So, minus omega squared x equals 0. Here, the maximum velocity occurs when x is equal to 0. This is the equilibrium. Pareho ganiha, asa ang maximum velocity? Di ba nasa equilibrium? Okay? Nasa equilibrium. And what is the maximum velocity? Well, substitute this to isolve na to ang ano, ang okay. Here x equals 0. What is now the maximum velocity? Ano na to? What is x double dot? X dot? X dot, okay, is minus omega a sine omega t. Now, how do we find now, meaning what at x equals 0, what is x dot? Okay? The problem is we have now x dot as a function of time. Right? How do we find that? Well, we can just replace this by cosine to express this in terms of x. Okay? Atong buhaton kay, but that will become square root. We can solve padulong dito unsa ang velocity diri, but we can just do that. We express this now. Let's express this in terms of ano. X dot, okay. This is equal to minus omega a square root of 1 minus cosine, wait, times sa, di pwede. How do we, sayon na kayo di ay. What is this? This is the equilibrium point. This is, the equilibrium point is actually when omega t is what? Pi over 2, right? Because the velocity occurs at when omega t is pi over 2. So this means that x maximum, this is V max now, minus omega a. Okay? Yeah. Minus omega a and plus minus. Nganong plus minus man? Because this occurs when omega t is not only pi over 2, but pi over 2, 3 pi over 2, 5 pi over 2, 7 pi over 2. Meaning it occurs here and it occurs here. Kay duha man kabuok ang angle nato when maximum ang ano, diba? Maximum ang velocity. Diri o diri, right? Remember, pagpabalik, diri gyapon ang maximum occur, tama? That's why you have this solution. Now, this becomes a plus and minus depending on, this is plus diri, minus diri, right? Plus na po diri, minus na po diri. So, it's plus and minus omega a. This is our V max. Okay? And what is the velocities? What is the zeros of velocities? You will see that the zeros of velocities occurs when omega t, x dot, okay, V is equal to 0 means omega t equals sine of 0 is sine of angle theta is 0 where? At 0, pi, 2 pi. So meaning this is pi, 2 pi, 0, pi, 2 pi, and so on. Or this is now n pi. Kani kay n plus 1, 2n plus 1 over 2 pi. Omega t is whenever 2n plus 1 over 2 pi. No? For n equals 0, that is, I think, n plus 1 over 2. I think. Sorry. This is 2n plus 1 over 2. Ako maximum V max occurs at omega t equals 2n. N is any integer. Okay? 2n, actually, it can be negative integer also, no? Negative means the rotation is paana. Okay? But of course, the more physically admissible solution is that paana itong counterclockwise ta, right? As we release it, unsay ano, time, sorry, this is not t only, but omega t. Okay? Not the t-axis, but the omega t. Wait, times up. Not omega t by. Not time here. What's the y-axis now? The y-axis becomes x sine x B. Mao ni ang xt space di ay. Mao ni ang xt space. If you draw the xt space, this is the xt space. This one is not the xt space. A sine. Nakakay diri ato lahi ni siya nga space. This is a sine, a cosine, and this is a sine. Okay? A sine, which is some velocity. This is the v space over sum over omega. I think. Yeah, v space negative v over omega. Kaya tanawin mo, negative v over omega. What do you get? Di ba a sine t? Okay? So the y-axis now is negative v over omega. Because that is a sine t. This is a circle. Okay? Okay, or you may force this to be not a circle. Pwede gyapon b ni siya, so it will become an ellipse. Nakuha? In general, it becomes an ellipse. But if you force it to be a circle, you have to divide it by negative omega para mabilin lang kani. Tama? If you put it here, so this meaning this is just negative v. That this space here is minus b. Okay? So, as tanawa ha, pag-abot diri, and then, pag diri ka, v is still increasing, right? I mean, still positive, right? Pag-abot nimo dito, gaana ka dito. V is still positive, right? Sorry, negative. Yeah, that's why negative v ni siya, no? Dapat diri ay ta. It's counterclockwise. Kung if we construct it to be v space, pero omega t, negative v gid siya bay. Negative v. If atong positive angle, so negative v. So still it's still negative, right? Meaning pag positive ka dire, the velocity actual is negative. Hantod mo stop siya, dahil mo positive na dayon siya. Pag dire man siya mo stop, dahil mo positive na dayon, right? So this is the xv space. In fact, the natural flow is padulong dire. Okay? Padulong dire ang natural flow. We can think of, instead of that, we can actually just say that this is over omega t. It goes here, padulong dito, paana. Okay? This is the natural flow. This is V. Or, this is a very important space in advanced mechanics. This is called the phase space. Kada point sa phase space is a state of the system, but of course, in an advanced na kayo na siya. It's not just V, but momentum. Well, momentum is MV sa, at least a basic na, no? But this space is very, very powerful. Actually, you can analyze systems dire, advanced systems using this space. Kumbaga pa, XP space. XP, where P is the momentum. Or since, pwede lang yapon XB, M times B. Okay, so muna ang harmonic oscillator. It's a force nga dependent, and we have this solution. Okay? And in general solution, actually, nasa phase angle. Meaning, dili necessarily nga pero physically man good, if you're talking about mass spring system, dili kita ato ginang ibiraon then i-release, right? But if we go beyond the harmonic oscillator as a mechanical system, not only the mass spring system, then it could be that x of t can now be omega, a cosine omega t minus the phase angle. Okay? Or you can think of it as, okay, kung asa siya nagsugod. Nga naman, because in electrical systems, for example, AC current, dili man necessarily nga, like sa mass manggod, ngayon mo siyang birahon and then release, right? To set it into motion. There, it can start anywhere. For the mass spring system to start somewhere, not the amplitude, but it will still reach the same amplitude, you have to give it a velocity, initial velocity, such that mo coincide siya nga mo end at that amplitude. It's quite, kumbaga pa, it's not practical to think of it that way. The best thing to set it into motion is to pull it and release. Okay? That's why in mechanical harmonic oscillator is just usually omega t. But for general harmonic oscillator, ani, napag yun yung usahay katong plus B, okay? Plus B sine of omega t, okay? Depende sa ano, minus, okay? Anyway, okay, ano pa ba? What else? Okay, example na lang ta sa forces. Tama na ano ta? At na, diretso na lang ta. Okay? Okay, more examples on forces that depends on the position. Okay, let's say nakay something diri move ka diri constantly, and as you get into this region here, there is some sort of foam, something ana. Okay? Morning pinaka-edge niya, or whatever, it could extend up to dito. And this is sa bana sa whatever is that. Yeah, it could be a spring, pero murag di sa nato ko ano nga spring, no? Yeah, pwede sa spring. Pero let's take this as something that if this is the equilibrium, x equals 0, then the force at this region, the force whatever, asa na ano dito, the force f of x there is equal to minus it's going there, opposing, minus some alpha x squared. Okay, so mas grabe ni, no? Okay? Let's say kana. Ang question is, given that you hit this at velocity v naught, okay? Di na ako magbutawag number, ha? But of course, wag mo na yung number, sa'yo na kayo, substitute ninyo. Given that the car, let's say, the car has velocity v naught, pag abot dire, when it hits the whatever is this foam or whatever is that, okay? Ang question is, how long until it will stop? Okay, mo nang ano? How long, meaning time, until it stops. Okay, time, yung tag how long time na akin, nasa una si Jordan, gipangita niya kay ang x. Anong x ba na? How long, man good sir? Oh, di ba sakto man pod? How long? Pero, naging importante po ng ano? How long? Sakto pod. Yeah. Okay, how long until it stops? Well, we can just do that. Pero ang pinakaano man gud is that let's treat the problem as if it's a general problem, and then ato ra ning ikuan. Mao gina isuli pa maagi, no? Okay, pag-abot diri on sa equation nato, as soon as it gets here, naa na siya diri, no, ang system o sa equation niya. Well, assuming wala friction, ha? As soon as it gets here and this distance is x, then the sum of forces there, which is equal to what? On the dito nga side is minus alpha x squared, right? And this is equal to m d squared dx over dt squared, or we can just use dv over dt. So, clearly, we have now, same ra gihapon, you have minus alpha over m x squared equals dv over dx times v, right? And we integrate this. This is from v naught to some final velocity, v. And this is from 0 to some x. So from here, as you can see, this is 1/2 mv squared minus 1/2 mv naught squared. By the way, what is this one? This is the work done by that force. This is the work done by that force, exactly. Butang na ito dx diri. Okay? This is the work done by that force, di ba? That's the work done by that force in traveling a distance x. So, sa ato pa, this is now minus alpha over 3m x cubed equals, okay, 1/2 m v squared minus 1/2 m v naught squared. But here, this is 0, right? Final is, ato mag-evaluate sa pag-stop. Remember that this is the change in kinetic energy. Okay? This is delta KE, which is equal to the work done by, this is, let's take this as a non-conservative force. Or it could be conservative gyapon. Basta as long as we have this work done dito. Ang kalayan naman sa conservative, non-conservative is that for conservative forces, we can actually associate a potential energy. Okay? And I think this, yeah, pag nasa form nga ani manggod equation, usually it's a conservative force. Okay? So, anyway, minus alpha x cubed, okay, kani siya. And, unsay makuha nato diri? This is x as a function of time, right? If we invert the formula, what do we get? X cubed equals, wala na yung m diri, tama? Kaya na naman ang m diri. Okay, wala na yung m diri. Okay, wala yung m. So, di na siya delta KE di ay. But anyway, pag mabultunin mo kayo, mahurag yapong delta KE, no? So, this is, now, mag-cancel lang negative. This is m 3m over 2 alpha v naught squared, right? Or x of, okay, this is now x, v naught. Okay, to solve for t, we have to, kumbaga pa, how do we solve for t in this case here? Atong buhaton diri kay we can integrate. This is constant. We can now actually integrate this. No, sorry. Saan natin mag-solve sa time diri? We have to get v of x in order to solve for t. The problem is with this form, we don't get v of x. We only, unsay anak makuha nato diri, the distance nga ang x, this will give us, the cube root of this, right, will give us the distance kung asa siya taman, okay, before it will stop. Okay? Now, what if we want to calculate for the time? In order to do that is that we must find x of t first and invert it. Okay? So, in order to do that, we have to derive the general case, not just this one. So, meaning, we will set this as 1/2 v squared minus 1/2 v naught squared. So, ito inaan niya dito. Nakuha? So that, okay. Lisod siya kwaon, day bay. This is minus alpha over m. Alpha over 3m x cubed equals 1/2 dx over dt squared minus 1/2 v naught squared. Okay, how do we solve this? It's difficult to solve this because, wait. Yeah, we can solve this. Pero, isa diyang integral. Atong i-move ni siya dito. Okay? Atong i-move so naakay tanawa. This equation now becomes dx over dt squared. This is the velocity, right? equals, move na to na dito, so na kay V naught squared minus 2 alpha over 3m x cube, right? Tama? So sa ato pa, from here, yeah, this can be solved. But very difficult to solve. Ano yung may tabo? Dx over dt, which is the velocity, di ba? Square root of V naught squared minus 2 alpha x cube over 2 alpha over 3m x cube. Now, okay. To solve this, we have this integral. Dx over square root of V naught squared minus 2 alpha over 3m x cube equals dt. Integrate this from 0 to some x. Okay? 0 to some x. Plus ni minus. Plus, no? Minus, no? And this is, of course, 0 to some t. And from here, yeah, you get that. And, unsay makuha ninyo dire? From here, if you are able to integrate this, unsay makuha? If you are able to integrate this, what do you get? You will get some function of x, right? Some f of x dire equals t. If you're going to invert that, you will get now x of t. Right? Now, of course, mauna ni siya. Pero, lisod ni siya integrating x cube, right? Square root of x cube. So, I don't think that there's a closed form. I don't know, murag walay closed form, ani. Okay? Yeah, I think walay closed form, ani. But, with numerical integration, you can solve for the time. Now, let's take a special case when f is actually constant. Tanaw mahitabo. When, I don't know, when f is when f is the harmonic oscillator minus kx, x squared ra ni siya, right? This is integrable. X squared man ni siya. V squared minus x squared, this is integrable by trigonometric substitution. Tama? This is integrable by trigonometric substitution.